quite an experience, not just during the hunt, but after the hunt also.
Greatest one I've ever been on.
Rolling Plains Adventures, best place in the world.
This is North Dakota pheasant.
Get him up! Rooster! Nice!
Let's go, let's go.
Nice.
I got the bird, that's all that matters. This will be my 4th buck at Rolling Plains Adventures. Mackenzie, North Dakota, great place.
This Rolling Plains Adventure is phenomenal. I mean, you're going to see so many bucks that you're never going to see in other states. And Jeremy and them do a phenomenal job putting you on the deer. I can't have nothing bad to say about this company.
We got it done in North Dakota this year. Rolling Plains Adventure put us on another big buck, and we got it done. I think this is my 8th or 9th buck out here in 10 years. So it's a great place to come. Jeremy does a great job. Family does a great job. They got some big deers here. I'd recommend coming out here to anybody.
Rooster! 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 Rooster!
Thank you.
This just might work.
It's fun. Oh yeah, man. Oh, it was awesome. This is what dreams are made of, man. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for having me out. It was awesome. Rolling Plains.
Take those two.
a lot of the guys in our group, it was their first time on a field hunt, and it was one of those. Yeah, it was one of those hunts that's memorable and that'll probably
spoil them for the rest of their life.
I mean, I can't thank you enough for having me out here to North Dakota. My first time ever to North Dakota, and just can't thank you enough. And there's a lot more than pheasants running around here, I can tell you that. Thank you.